Hello viewers. In this video we are going to learn about some results on angle subtended by arc. Okay, angle subtended by arc, that means it is related to the circle chapter. What is given in the first theorem? The angle subtended by an arc of a circle at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. Okay, that means here some picture are given. As you can see that this is one circle, this is one circle, this is another circle. Now angle subtended by arc, that is, suppose we are taking AB as an arc. Okay, so the angle subtended by it in center is AOB angle, and angle subtended by it in any point of the circle is ACB we are taking. So we have to prove that angle AOB is twice of angle ACB. Similarly for this, these are the three different cases. Okay, here is given to prove AOB is twice angle ACB. Now the proof I will discuss about discuss to you, that's so that you can understand it. Now as we can see the first picture, we are getting one quadrilateral here. Okay, this is the point on the circle, this is the point on the center of the circle. Okay, and we are getting we are taking AB as minor arc. Here three cases are arising. Case 1, taking AB as minor arc, figure 1. We are considering first figure 1. So AB is a minor arc, as we can see from here. AB is a minor arc, so it subtended the angle AOB at the center and ACB at the circle. Now if we draw a line CD, okay, which passes through O, it divides the quadrilateral into two equal triangle. Understand? That is AOC and BOC. Not equal, not need that it divide two equal triangle, but it divides this quadrilateral into two triangle. Now from here, as we can see that if we considering the triangle AOC, so we get angle AOD is equal to angle AOD is equal to angle OAC plus angle OCA. Understood? Because the sum of any exterior angle is equal to sum of any exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite interior angle. Similarly, if we considering this angle, that should be this angle plus this angle. Hope you understand. Now OAC and OBC are equal angle. Why it is equal angle? Because the opposite side of this angle, these two angle, the opposite sides of these two angle is OC, and OC is the radius of the circle. So that means this angle equal to this angle. So we get that OBC is equal to OCB is equal to OCB also. OBC is equal to OCB. Why? Because OB is also the radius of the circle. Understood? And OA is also radius of the circle. So as we can see from the proof that here AOD can divide into OAC plus OCA. Now but OAC is equal to OCA since OC and OA is equal to R, and OBC is equal to OCB since OC and OB is also R. So from here we can write that angle AOD, this angle AOD, this angle is equal to this angle is equal to twice angle ACO or ACD, twice of angle this, because this angle and this angle are equal, and we know that this angle is equal to sum of this angle and this angle. So this angle is equal to twice of angle this, and again from this triangle we are getting this angle equal to twice of angle this. Understood? Now if we add this, add this, so we are getting angle AOD plus angle BOD is equal to twice of angle AOC plus twice of angle BOC. Understood? Now if we take 2 common over there, so we are getting AOC plus BOC, that means angle AOB. Understood? ACO plus ABO. From the figure, as we can see, the proof is given here. Angle AOD BOD is equal to angle OCB. So from figure 1 we are getting angle AOD plus BOD is equal to twice angle OCA plus twice angle OCB. Now from AOB we are getting 2 into angle OCA plus OCB. OCA plus OCB is equal to 2 into angle ACB. Okay, so this is the proof of figure 1 and figure 2. Hope you understand. Now for figure 3, when AB is major arc, this is the proof of for figure 2 and figure 1. Now when AB is major arc, the proof is similar. Okay, proof is similar. So you just go through the proof and go through the whole proof and read it carefully. If you have any problem, then try to convey with me and try to consult with me. I will definitely able to solve you. Understood? Next, move to another theorem, the theorem 2. What is the statement of theorem 2? The angle in a semicircle is a right angle. Okay, proof is given and the picture is also given. So just go through the proof from the book. Next, move to theorem 3, that is converse of theorem 2. The arc of a circle subtended a right angle at any point of a circle in its alternate segment is a semicircle. So that is the converse of the theorem 2. Next, move to theorem 4. It is a very important theorem. Angles in a same segment of a circle are equal. Understood? So here are the different types of picture: figure 1, figure 2, figure 3. So you consider the first figure 1, then figure 2, then figure 3, and go through the proof. There are 3 cases are given: case 1, case 2, case 3. So again here some application of theorem 1, I think is applicable here. So you just go through the proof and read the proof carefully. Next, move to another theorem. This is the last theorem, and theorem number 5. If a line segment joining 2 points subtend equal angle at the 2 other points lying on the same side of the line segment, then the 4 points are concyclic, that is, they lie on the same circle. Okay. If the line segment joining 2 points subtend equal angle, at 2 other points lying on the same side of the line segment, then the 4 points are concyclic. We have to prove, and here comes the figure is given. Okay, so you just read. For today our task is to understand this 5 theorem. Okay, now if we understand this 5 theorem, we should go through the solved here. Various types of solved examples are given. This started from example 1, and as you can see, up to example 21 is given. Okay, so first we read the theorem, 5 theorem, and we understand that. After that we should go through the example that is given, the 21 example. We have to cover the 21 example. If we for today it is our task. Now if we able to solve and understand all these things, then we can move to our next exercise, exercise 11b. Okay, so that's it for today's task. Hope you understand your task. Okay, now again I am telling you, to get more math related video, please stay with us and subscribe my channel and don't go anywhere. Okay, thank you.